Magandang araw at maligayang pagdalo. Welcome sa San Fernando Christian Community. Relax, enjoy, and feel at home dito sa SFCC. Magpunta lang sa ating gift shop and for every 200 pesos worth of items na bibilhin simula January 6, ang resibo mo sa isang raffle coupon. Ang coupon na ito ay maaaring manalo ng mga prizes sa SFCC Anniversary on February 23 and 24. Kaya nakabili ka na ng pangregalo mo, meron ka pang chance na manalo. Sa ating snack bar and coffee shop, namnamin ang mga katakam-takam na breakfast, snacks, lunch at iba pa. Plus tikman ng mapatunayan, brewed coffee for free. Para sa libreng sakay sa minicab, may service tayo to and from the plaza every Saturday and Sunday mula 9 o'clock hanggang 9:45 ng umaga and 1 to 1:45 naman ng hapon. Hanapin kung saan ka maaaring mag-contribute sa vision ng ating church at mag-reach out to others. My kids, Teen Center Ministry mula Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. sa Ortega Gymnasium. May hospital visitation every Wednesday, 9 to 12 p.m. sa Lumed. Meron ding tayong medical clinic every Wednesday, 5 to 6 p.m. dito sa center. And of course, ang jail ministry natin is every Thursday, 1 to 3 sa provincial jail. Mag-volunteer sa iba't ibang gawain bilang usher, minicab driver, mag-serve sa food and beverage, sa building and facilities, sa multimedia, sa worship, sa kids, o kung saan ka man kinakailangan ni Lord. Ipaalam lang ang iyong desisyon sa isa sa mga servant leaders. Invite people not only sa Saturday and Sunday 10 o'clock service, but also sa ating misa sa hapon. It's a Tagalog service. Isang oras na misa every Sunday 2 to 3 ng hapon. Support the kids mission in Pias every Sunday 4 to 5 in the afternoon. Volunteer to drive, to teach, to facilitate games, to provide food, and to plan for events, and to reach out to others. Para lalo tayong mag-grow deeper and higher spiritually, maglaan ng time for praise and prayer dito sa center every Tuesday from 7:30 hanggang 8:30 ng gabi. Makibanding at mag-enjoy kasama ang mga servant leaders sa isang cell group. Ayusin lang ang iyong schedule and for sure, you'll have time to share moments with new friends. Pagkatapos naman ng ating worship service for Saturday, meron tayong block courses, 12:15 to 1 o'clock p.m. Hanapin lang ang mga block course instructors sa dance, guitars, keyboard, and computer. Makisaya at let's sit and talk a while in the world of friendship sa libreng salo-salo pagkatapos ng service. Feel at home dito sa center dahil bukas ito mula 9 ng umaga hanggang 9 ng gabi. This year 2008, punong-puno tayo ng pagkakataon to build church and to reach others. On January 21 to 28 is our National Bible Week celebration. Let us join in this celebration of God's Word, source of justice, reconciliation, and peace. On January 27, Dr. Kate Jens will be with us to teach on how to hear God's voice. Upcoming activities: Fresh Start Discipleship classes on weekdays, every Thursday, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock p.m. On weekends, every Sunday, 12:15 to 1:45 p.m. Valentine's Special will be on February 16. SFCC Sweet 16 Anniversary will be on February 23 and 24. Application for Summer Internship, a Next Level Leadership Training course, is available per request. For more information, look for any of the servant leaders around. Again, relax, enjoy, and feel at home here at SFCC.